Hey guys, it's Miss Bellhagen, your college and career counselor.
Good morning, Eagles. Greetings from the DECA program. This is Mr. Roscoe.
Hey guys, Mr. Pierce here.
Hi Eagles, this is Coach Garcia.
Buenos días, familia del Dorado. This is Señor Davila. I found this gem on my yearbook. I was going through it last night, Highland High School class of '06. And don't judge me, right? Obviously, I didn't end up being a history teacher after all, but close enough.
Hello, El Dorado. This is Mrs. Herrenberg from Science.
Hi guys, Miss Meyer here.
Hey guys.
Hi, high schoolers.
Hey, just wanting to send out all my best to everybody for good health and staying so patient and adaptable in this difficult time.
Just wanted to check in, see how you guys are doing, see how this crazy chapter in your life is going.
Just wanted to say, hang in there, Eagles. I know we're going through some crazy times right now.
Hopefully when all this coronavirus stops, we can go back to school and see you.
I hope to see you guys soon. You guys are tough. Stay strong. Stay safe. You guys are awesome.
I just wanted to say hi to all my current and former students, my volleyball players, and the rest of the El Dorado community.
What I always admired about El Dorado students is their ability to adapt and to overcome.
I hope you all are doing well as you adjust to this new way of learning.
I miss seeing all of you.
All your teachers miss you and hope you're doing well.
I miss you so much. I miss hearing you laugh. I miss teaching you. I miss seeing you.
I miss you all tremendously.
I really miss you guys.
Hang in there, be tough.
And believe me, your teachers miss you guys.
Miss y'all.
Hang in there, guys.
I miss you. Bye.
Hey guys, we absolutely love our teachers, but it wouldn't be complete without Mr. Suazo.
Hello, El Dorado. This is Mr. Suazo. This is my first instant TikTok Facey tweet. I just wanted to say hello from El Dorado, a very lonely El Dorado high school. We miss you guys. We just want you to take advantage of these online opportunities that your teachers are offering you right now. We're looking forward to seeing you guys really soon. Take care of yourselves, guys. We miss you. Have a good one.
And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Congratulations to David Hale for guessing how many jelly beans are in this jar. We'll be contacting you soon to get your prize. Stay tuned for next week's video so you can find out the candidate information. See you there, Eagles.